Well, hi, this is Scott. I'm going to jump right into using this module. So the way you get there is by clicking on Menu, going down to Utilities, opening up the sub-menu, down at the bottom. That's where I found it, 301 Redirects and htaccess Editor. Alright, here's the basic screen. At the moment I have no module settings, I have no redirects or anything else. So the first thing we can do is add a 301 redirect to our htaccess file just by entering old and new URLs. So let's say you have an old URL such as this, products/hat. And let's say that goes to your hats. But you want to change it so there's an HTML at the end. And if you don't do that, if you don't change this and let search engines know, you'll probably lose some you'll lose some links. So change it to the new one, products/hat.html. There you go. Next thing we do is add it to our module settings. We'll add the 301 redirect here. Now there it is in the module settings. Let's add another one. How about products/cat? And now we'll change that to products/cat.html. So now you're selling cats and hats. Here they are. It's important to know that your htaccess file has not been touched yet. It has not been updated. You have to click the red button in order to update it. Now let's say your module settings look good and you don't want to update your htaccess file, but you do want to save them for later. So you can do that very easily right here. I'll just call it cats and hats. And we'll save these settings. And they show up right here. If you want to load any settings, you just will click on the name. Here's something called new redirect. Here's cats and hats. And so now let's actually update the htaccess file. I'm just going to click this. And there it is. You have a notice that says your htaccess file was updated. And here are the module settings. You can check right here. You can edit your htaccess file if you are brave, but you can take a look at it just by clicking here, and you can see there's the module settings right there. If you edit this and want to write a new htaccess file, you can do so by doing this, but you have to be careful because messing around with your htaccess file can crash your site bad. If you just want to see the module settings again, you can click here to load them. That loads the current settings, or you can load some saved settings. These ones are loaded from the htaccess file. Every time you update your htaccess file, a backup is created. So, and you can delete these backups, but if you want, you could this is what you get when you want to delete them. And if you want to remove the settings from the htaccess file, you can click down here. That's about it. Enjoy and let us know if you have any questions.